Hello. All right, here we are in my studio, and I wanted to let you know one of my next steps for processing the box. I should say first steps. So I am going through the boxes. I'll remove the sticker, and I actually do remove all of the hardware on here. So I'll do that really quick. So I removed the hardware because I'm actually going to kind of lightly sand the box, make sure that I don't have any splinters or rough edges on there for when I go and do my taping. I really need this to stick on there quite well. So I just take a little piece of sandpaper and actually adhere it to a stick, and I'll come along the edges and just clean them up. And I make sure and go through all of my boxes and do this so that they're really clean. I want to make sure that when I get my resin line, it's just a nice, clean, crisp line on here. And that way you really just see the details on the top. That's all I wanted it to be on. So this helps me do that. Okay, so I'll get all these boxes done. I've got 10 on this table and 10 on the table behind me. So I got a lot of work ahead of me. I'll see you in a bit.